Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com, and this is a tutorial video on continuous trading opportunities. About 5 days ago I made a video using the day trading bundle, and I used the harmonic pattern on ZB to trade this trade highlighted on the left here, and then the expert algo to trade this highlighted trade on the right. This was on the 2-hour time frame. One of my big things, and it always has been, is multiple time frame trading strategies to continually get those trading time frames. So the link for this particular video that I went through these two trades is in the description below. Please subscribe to this channel also, so you get notifications of all these educational videos. So this was on the 2-hour. This was 5 days ago. But what's happened since? Has there been another trading opportunity? And there has. So we go to the 4-hour time frame now. We can see this move here was that second trade all the way up here. You can see that highlighted in the grey there. And then we've had a wave 4 pullback. So now we're using the Elliott Wave indicator suite that we have. There's that first trade here on the 4-hour. That's what it looked like. That's that second trade. And now, again, when we've got, if we're a serious trader, we've got multiple monitors, or at least a big monitor with multiple time frames on there, we have a fifth wave trade opportunity. So during this second trade that we did on the 2-hour, that formed that wave 3 on this 4-hour, and then we had some profit taking pullback, which is normal, okay? But we can measure that using Elliott Wave indicator suite. We can see that the wave 4 pullback, initially we've got this EMA cloud here. We use the EMA cloud, remember, on a lot of our indicator bundles, and that's the 89. When we're looking at 4-hour daily time frames, that 89 and the 55 EMA cloud are really, really strong, especially when we have these Elliott Wave 4 pullbacks. As you can see, it's a non-linear support, if you like, in pink you see here. That's pulled back. It's found that non-linear support, but also in the red zone of our Elliott Wave pullback zone. So that's quite deep, but it's a 75% probability it's going to go on and hit that fifth wave target here up in blue around 166.04. So this is more of a swing trading strategy now. Once we get over 2 hours, we are really talking swing trading, and I know on the 2-hour one we actually carried it over as well, so that was really verging on going from day trading to swing trading. But now we have this swing trading opportunity, and this was entered last week, and then we got the backup as well. So we see the oscillator down here, the Elliott Wave oscillator. You see how that crowning came in, just tipped above the below the 140 there, but it was a nice crowning here on the wave force. The behavior was pretty good. And then if we look closer, entry strategies for this is, there's a couple of things. I've got the expert algo 6-star buy here, okay. We also have this blue EMA line here. This is a 6-4 moving average high. So this takes the average of the last 6 candles highs, and then if you look right here, it skews it over to the right. So we would use this as a more conservative entry strategy. So that sort of entry here would have been around 162.20, but you also need to consider these little pivots here, okay, just here previously. We have to consider those as resistance as well. So more conservative entry strategy would have been, got the 6-star buy on the expert algo, and you want to go above here at around 163.07. okay, still both profitable trades, because the fifth wave move is a good high probability move, 75% probability. But when we get the 6-star buys, with this move from the 6-star buy signal from the experts, probably 80-85%. So we are getting really, really good momentum here on this move up. Again, we're part of that main trend as well. If you think about it, Elliott Wave, you're trading with the trend. So we have traded twice on the 2-hour time frame. We've traded long, which was a harmonic pattern, and then we had an expert long signal here. So the overall trend is long, so we wouldn't be really looking for shorts here. And then we come to the 4-hour time frame, we see the wave 4 pullback, find support in the red zone on the Elliott Wave Indicator Suite, and then the 89 EMA cloud, very, very strong support level. I mean, you could go very aggressive here. You could use a regression trend channel to actually come out and get in early on this trade. But for those more conservative, you would look for a move out of this 6-4 moving average high, or even more conservative, you would look, you know, you've got the 6-star buy here, wait until it breaks this pivot here, this double top if you like, and then you'll probably sound, you know, stop for the longer term swing for Elliott Wave is just underneath the wave 4 pivot here. If you're taking the 6-star buy and you're waiting for it to go through this resistance, you would probably use an EMA cloud which is more tighter, probably a 34. So if I'm going to put that on here now, let me just put it on here, and then we put it on in a different color. Let's make it white. Okay, so again, with different entry strategies, you've got different stop positions as well. If you're taking the move out of the 6-4 moving high, your stop is below the wave 4 pivot. Now, if you're taking the 6-star buy, you later on in this, you need a tighter stop. You would use the 35 EMA cloud here, this white EMA cloud. So this is the signal candle here. So your stop just goes below the bottom of the EMA cloud there, around 162.02, and then your entry is just above here, around about 163.08. So your risk to reward, if we measure both of those, and we're going to use the fib extension tool here, if with a longer term swing and we got in slightly earlier on the 6-4 moving average high, you know, we're over 1 to 2 to the 5th wave target zone. Great risk reward there. If we're a little bit late and we want to be more conservative, again, the stop is just below that EMA cloud for the signal candle there. Entry was just above here. And again, we're 1 to 2 there as well. So there's lots of continual trading opportunities and different entry strategies when you're using either the day trading or the swing trading bundles of indicators, because they're different strategies but they work well in harmony together. So again, last week we had ZB where we had a harmonic pattern, and again, follow that link in this description so you can understand how those were formed, how the entry strategies and how those trades were managed. And then later on in the week we had the X-spread algo, and then we had a wave 4 pullback. We went to the 4-hour time frame, the Elliott Wave Indicator Suite measured that wave 4 pullback, and there's a 5th wave there. Not only is a 5th wave there, we've got the X-spread algo 6-star buy as well. So there's lots of weight behind this bullish move right now. And then I've just discussed today to go over those different entry strategies excuse me, with that Elliott Wave Indicator Suite, or indeed be more conservative, wait for that X-spread algo long signal and go above this resistance there. So there's lots of the different ways, but again, I'll make all these training videos to help people whether they've just got our Elliott Wave Indicator Suite or whether they've got the swing trading bundle, which gives them lots more trading opportunities. So there's lots of trading opportunities there, lots of different strategies. But the way we've formulated these bundles, it gives you different strategies. You know, you've got more opportunities to trade, and this just shows you if you're trading bonds, for example, futures, ZB, and this goes for any type of futures or forex or crypto. There are multiple trading opportunities, and if you were just a ZB trader, the 3 trades that we've had over the last week are very, very profitable. Being patient and waiting for those signals and looking at them on multiple time frames and getting that confidence in those entry strategies is really, really important. But we try and make it simple as possible with simple and repeatable entry strategies, trade management strategies with this training bundle. So hopefully that helps. Have a great trading day, and I'll speak to you all really, really soon.